Are you confused about how to start preparing for your UTME? You don't even know the topic to start from, and the exam is fast approaching. Let me tell you, my dear, start from past questions. Past questions will give you direction. But I didn't tell you to go and cram it to learn it. Study the past questions. Don't cram. I repeat, do not cram. If you see a question, try to know everything surrounding the question and see the magic. Okay, let's try to know everything about this question right here on the screen. The question says, the main reason for making the cover of a vacuum flask airtight is to prevent heat loss by A. Convection, B. Conduction, C. Radiation, D. Evaporation. Tell me the correct option in the comment section. Okay, the correct option is A. Convection. The cover of a vacuum flask is made airtight to prevent heat loss by convection. But have you ever wondered how vacuum flasks keep hot things hot and cold things cold? Okay, let's break it down. We have 3 modes of heat transfer, and they are conduction, convection, and radiation. In conduction, the heat energy moves through a material medium without the material medium being moved. For example, if you put a spoon into your cup of tea and leave it for a while, when you come back and check, you will notice that the spoon is hotter. That is conduction right there. In convection, heat is carried by moving fluids like air or water. So in convection, the particles of the medium move from one place to another while carrying the heat. But in conduction, the particle vibrates in their position. Convection, medium moves. Conduction, medium doesn't move. Radiation. In radiation, heat travels as electromagnetic waves, so no material medium is needed here. That is how the sun reaches the earth, through the space. So in radiation, heat moves even through a vacuum. So in vacuum flasks, the vacuum is to prevent heat loss by conduction and convection because air is a poor conductor. But now that radiation doesn't even need a material medium to travel through, so the creation of vacuum won't work on it. That is why the manufacturers introduced shiny reflective surfaces inside the flask. And also the plastic airtight cover is to prevent heat loss by convection and evaporation. But now you can see that convection and evaporation are among the options. Don't get confused because evaporation is not a mode of heat transfer. So our option A, convection, is still the correct option. Thank you for watching and follow for more. See you in the next one.